Hello everybody. Today we are going to study the last part of nursery management, that is the fourth part. During the last lectures, we have studied various parts of nursery management like disease management, infection of beds and many other things. Now in this last part, let us have a look at this pest management in nursery. Now in nursery, these plants are affected by various ways. Sometimes cutting of leaves may take place, margin is cut by the insects, holes may be found in the leaves may be chewed, and leaves may be damaged, and some another kind of attack may be noticed. Now let us go one by one. First, that is the insect pest. Now insect pest, this term carries over 200 species which are found in agriculture, and the kind of pests we have studied during the last 11th standard. Sucking pests are there, eating pests are there, leaf rolling pests are there, stem borers are there, many things are there. So billions of insects used to cause damage in agriculture. Then microbes, microorganisms are there, including fungi, bacteria, and different kinds of viruses are noticed there. All these may cause diseases in plant. Nematodes are also seen in some soils, and they damage the root system. Garden snails, to look, snails are beautiful, but they cause very heavy damage, particularly in home gardens, lawns, and greenhouses. They also cause damage in ornamental plantings, etc. Then come to weed. In this weed, we have studied that weed is an unwanted plant not sown by the farmer and which causes economic damage to the main crop. So these weeds affect yield of the crop. It also affects quality of the crop. Then it causes different other problems like they interfere into the water flow, they reduce the quality of soil, water sources are also blocked. Then another kinds of pests are there. These are called vertebrate pests. These pests are particularly rodents. Now rodents cause almost 70 to 80% loss to the crops, particularly grain crops. These rodents used to carry the cobs into their burrows and store there. So they can be controlled by various ways we are going to study just now. Birds, they pick up the seeds just sown. They also cause damage by picking seeds from the cobs. Then some mammals are there like bats, rabbits are also there. Such animals damage the crop, and the quality and quantity of agricultural produce is reduced. Now how to control these pests? Now in today's days, various methods of pest control are used. So they together called IPM, Integrated Pest Management, and Integrated Disease Management, IDM, that we have studied during last time. Now come to packing and transport of nursery plants. After a successful growing of nursery plants, then it comes how the nursery plant seedlings are to be packed and taken to the customers or in the market by using the proper transport mode. First part, that is packing. Now this packing, what does it mean? That it is placing the nursery plants or propagated materials into a suitable container for maintaining their viability. And not only viability but vitality during storage and transport. So we have to pack in such a way that the viability and the quality of the seedlings should be maintained during transport and storage. Now this time of packing and the quality material needed for packing, they are very important. Now this depends upon where it is to be transported for a long distance or a short distance. If we are transporting for a short distance, then we can use cheap rated material for packing. But if you are using it for long distance, then we have to use the better quality products to get better price of the product. So the nursery man can get good benefit. So packing material nowadays are available with plenty of kinds. Now advantages of packing. Now packing, what is the advantage or subject? That this packing protects the planting material. Planting material means the seedlings which we have grown from various kinds of hazards which may cause during transport. What happens that during transport the roots of the seedlings may get damaged, branches may get damaged, or if other parts which are very tender, they may also get damaged. It is also possible that there may be microbial attack or insect attack during transport. So that we have to stop or that we have to minimize. So along with that, there is also possibility of physiological and biological changes occur during planting material. Means the planting the plants we are going to transport may get physiologically damaged. If there is a complete darkness for 1 week, we are sending it long distance, then it may stop photosynthesis and the plant may turn yellow and die. So biological changes may take place because of such things. So here in this case, packing must maintain the natural condition of seedlings of the nursery plant. The natural condition in the sense that the plant which the seedling, when it reaches to the customer, it should be well grown, fully grown, vigorous, lustrous, green condition and living. Then only the customer will purchase, otherwise he will refuse it. So shelf life of the seedling should be increased. So in that way packing is to be done. After packing, then we have to label the product. So we have to name the seedling, what is the seedling, whether it is seedling of mango. If it is a mango, then what is the variety, then the name of the nursery, where it has been grown, raised, age of that seedling, because it is not clear what is the age of seedling to the customer. So date of packing and many other things we have to mention on the label, so as that the customer can decide whether to purchase the material or not. Now what is the basic principle of packing? Now it should be convenient. Packing should be convenient. There should be no effect on the quality of the product. It should also look attractive to the customers. It should also give protection against drying. There should be no mechanical injury. Sometimes during transport the twigs or birds or flowers or roots may get damaged, may get broken, and that will be of no use to the customers. So it should be economical to handle. So for that purpose, the big trees it is difficult to transport. Small nursery plants can be easily transported. Then it should be well adapted to the transport mode, loading system. It should be very vertical security, weight and volume. So as per the volume, as per the number of plants, as per the volume, the mode of transport is to be selected. So this packing is very important. Have a look at method of packing. So as per the size of plant, packing system is to be decided. Now there are different possible errors in nursery activities. We have to fill the containers very properly. Means there should be proper mixture of fertilizers, manure, soil in the pots. There should be hole at the bottom of the pot so as to remove the excessive water in this drainage system. The shape of the container should be so that it will be easy to handle. Excessive sized containers or very small sized containers are of no use or of less use. Then another thing that sometimes the container maintain upright, that should be upright means the containers should be kept upright direction, means the seedlings should be straight one, that should not fall down, otherwise they may get damaged. So there should be proper soil and sand used for germination. Then this deep sowing, very deep sowing, too deep sowing may result in poor germination. Improper handling of seedling during transplanting may cause damage. Then improper or delayed transplanting of seedling will also cause slow development of the seedling. Inadequate attention to root pruning. Roots are to be pruned whenever necessary, otherwise there will be no proper growth. If there is an improper root pruning while transplanting, then it will also not give proper growth. So improper compaction of soil around the seedling may also give loosening of the plant and plant may fall down. So proper earthing up is also important. Spraying of weedicides, fungicides, insecticides wherever and at what time they are required, they are to be done. Then hardening should be done. It should not be neglected, it should not be late started. Means hardening means the seedling should be exposed to the such climatic condition which it can sustain. Dumping of seedlings should not be done. It should be kept separately and in a proper manner. So these things are there. Now by the time we have completed this nursery management, I hope that you have understood this. Please read the topic again. Thank you.